Is olive oil a must-have after 40? For those over 40, olive oil isn't just a kitchen staple, it's a crucial part of maintaining health as you age. Olive oil, especially high-quality varieties, is rich in monounsaturated fats, which support heart health by lowering bad cholesterol and raising good cholesterol. But that's not all. Olive oil also contains antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenols, which help reduce inflammation and combat oxidative stress, two factors linked to aging and chronic diseases. As you age, these components become essential to maintaining brain and heart function. But how much should you use? Experts suggest incorporating 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil into your daily diet. Whether drizzled on salads or used in light cooking, olive oil helps nourish the body from the inside out. Plus, it's easy to add to almost any dish, making it a versatile, health-boosting ingredient that fits seamlessly into your routine. What type of olive oil is best for people over 40? Choosing the right type of olive oil is crucial, especially after 40, when health becomes a top priority. Extra virgin olive oil, EVOO, is the gold standard, offering the highest concentration of beneficial nutrients, like polyphenols and antioxidants, which protect against inflammation and support heart health. EVOO is cold-pressed, meaning it retains its natural compounds without being subjected to high heat, making it the most nutritious and flavorful option. It's ideal for raw applications, such as drizzling over salads or mixing into dips. Virgin olive oil is another option, but it undergoes slightly more processing, reducing its nutrient content. Refined olive oil, which is heat-processed, loses many of the health benefits associated with EVOO, but is still useful for high-heat cooking. If you want to maximize the health benefits of olive oil, stick with EVOO for its rich flavor and nutrient density, particularly if you're over 40. What should you watch out for when buying olive oil? When buying olive oil, it's easy to fall into the trap of misleading labels and marketing claims. For people over 40, choosing a high-quality olive oil can make all the difference in terms of health benefits. One thing to watch out for is fake or adulterated olive oils, which are often blended with cheaper oils but labeled as extra virgin. To ensure authenticity, look for certification marks such as PDO, Protected Designation of Origin, or PGI, Protected Geographical Indication, which guarantee the oil's quality and origin. Also, avoid oils sold in clear bottles, as exposure to light can degrade the oil's beneficial properties. Always opt for oils in dark glass or metal containers and store them in a cool, dark place to preserve their freshness. These small precautions can make a significant difference in how much you benefit from the olive oil you're consuming, especially as you age. How should you cook with olive oil for the best health benefits? Cooking with olive oil is easy, but getting the most health benefits from it, particularly after 40, requires knowing how to use it properly. Olive oil is perfect for low to medium heat cooking, such as sautéing or roasting vegetables, as its smoke point is around 375 degrees. At this temperature, the oil retains its nutrients, including monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, without breaking down into harmful compounds. However, avoid deep frying or cooking with high heat, as this can diminish its nutritional value. A great way to incorporate olive oil into your meals is by using it as a finishing oil. Drizzle it over cooked dishes like roasted vegetables, grilled fish, or even soups to enhance flavor and boost your intake of heart-healthy fats. If you're mindful of using olive oil in the right ways, it can easily become a daily health booster as you age. What are the biggest misconceptions about olive oil? Many people believe that cooking with olive oil at high temperatures is dangerous because of its relatively low smoke point. While it's true that extra virgin olive oil isn't suitable for frying, it's perfectly safe to use for medium heat cooking like sautéing or baking. In fact, high-quality olive oil contains antioxidants that make it more stable than many other oils under moderate heat. Another common misconception is that all olive oils offer the same benefits. Refined olive oil, which has been processed and heated, loses much of its nutritional content, including its antioxidants. Only extra virgin olive oil retains the full spectrum of health benefits. Lastly, some people think that olive oil is fattening and should be avoided. While it is calorie-dense, the monounsaturated fats it contains are healthy, and when used in moderation, olive oil can actually support weight management by improving heart health and reducing inflammation. Join our community and never miss out on new content. Subscribe today. What dishes can you make with olive oil that boost your health? Olive oil isn't just for salads. For those over 40, using olive oil in a variety of dishes can help you reap its many health benefits. A simple but delicious way to use olive oil is by roasting vegetables. Try drizzling it over carrots, zucchini, or sweet potatoes, and roasting them until they're caramelized and tender. Olive oil also shines in Mediterranean dishes like grilled fish with lemon and olive oil, or mixed into a vibrant tomato and cucumber salad. Another unexpected place to use olive oil is in baking. It can replace butter in recipes for muffins, cakes, and breads, adding a subtle richness while making the dish healthier. When used in both savory and sweet dishes, olive oil provides a wealth of nutrients that support heart, brain, and skin health, making it a must-have in any diet focused on healthy aging. How to maximize the health benefits of olive oil. If you're over 40 and looking to maximize the health benefits of olive oil, the key is how you incorporate it into your diet. The best way to consume olive oil is raw, as heat can degrade some of its beneficial compounds. Drizzling it over salads, vegetables, or grains ensures you're getting the most antioxidants and healthy fats. Research suggests that consuming 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil per day can significantly reduce inflammation and lower the risk of chronic diseases. Pairing olive oil with other nutrient-rich foods like leafy greens, tomatoes, and whole grains can further enhance its health benefits. When cooking, try to keep the heat low to medium to preserve the oil's nutrients. By making these small changes to your daily routine, you can make olive oil an essential part of your wellness plan as you age. What are the pros and cons of using olive oil after 40? Olive oil offers numerous benefits, but it's important to weigh the pros and cons, especially if you're over 40. On the positive side, olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering bad cholesterol and raising good cholesterol. It's also packed with antioxidants that fight inflammation and may protect against cognitive decline as you age. However, one downside to olive oil is its calorie content. It has about 120 calories per tablespoon, so portion control is important if you're watching your weight. Another potential drawback is the cost, especially for high-quality extra virgin olive oil. While it may be more expensive, the health benefits often justify the price. Ultimately, the pros far outweigh the cons, making olive oil a valuable addition to a balanced, heart-healthy diet. How can olive oil support skin health? Olive oil isn't just for your diet. It can also be a game-changer for your skin, especially if you're over 40. Rich in vitamin E and antioxidants, olive oil helps moisturize the skin, reduce inflammation, and protect against free radical damage, which can accelerate signs of aging. To use olive oil for skincare, apply a small amount to your face or body after showering to lock in moisture. You can also mix it with other ingredients like sugar for a natural exfoliant, or add it to your regular moisturizer for an extra hydration boost. Olive oil's anti-inflammatory properties may also help soothe skin conditions like eczema or psoriasis. By incorporating olive oil into your skincare routine, you can enjoy softer, more hydrated skin, making it a versatile tool for both inner and outer health. Final tips on using olive oil. After 40. Olive oil is an incredibly versatile ingredient that offers multiple benefits for those over 40. From supporting heart health to improving skin hydration. The key is using it in moderation, and focusing on quality extra virgin olive oil is the best option due to its high nutrient content. Incorporate it into your diet by using it raw in salads or drizzling it over cooked dishes, and try cooking with it at lower temperatures to preserve its benefits. Don't forget its uses beyond the kitchen. Olive oil is also a great addition to your skincare routine. In short, making olive oil a regular part of your lifestyle can support healthy aging both inside and out. Are you over 40 and living your best life? Share your inspiring story with the world and spread positivity in the comment below. Unlock the power of magnesium for better health after 40. Support bones, heart, sleep, and more. Click the next video here.